Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to name your website in Google Sites. Now this tutorial will cover both entering your site name as well as the renaming your file itself when it comes to Google Site itself. Now do not worry if you're not proficient or if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Sites, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you are interested in watching, we actually have a beginner's guide when it comes to using Google Sites if you want to be more proficient when it comes to using this software. Now, for those of you who don't know, Google Sites is a free web-based tool for creating websites that is ideal for both personal and professional use. It offers easy-to-use templates, drag and drop editing, and seamless integration with other Google services that makes it accessible for users of all skill levels. Now, in the previous tutorials, I have showed you how you can create your own file like this. Now to rename your file or to rename your website, all you have to do is to head over to the upper left corner of the screen, and by default it says Untitled Site. Click on it, and from here you can change the file name of your website. Note that this will not indicate the whole website name, but rather only the file name of your website. Now to actually name your website, just click on this icon right over here, in which it has an underline, and you can change it from here. Now if you wish, you can also add a logo to add a trademark on it, like so. By the way, you can edit your logo by clicking on this one, and from here you can upload and then select from your directory, which in my case is this one. Click on open, and automatically it uploads your logo on your website, just like so. As simple as that, you can name your website and your file name from Google Sites itself. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.